Hello and welcome to yet another mid-service video about this Sony CDP-502. It's 3 o'clock in the morning, or just past 3 o'clock in the morning, and I've worked out what's wrong with the mechanism. As you see, it now goes smooth. I mean, it's fixed. Like Lampizator says, some people watch the stars, other spot trains, and I can watch KSS 190i train mechanism load and unload. So after lubricating the rails, I remember from the previous job that one has to lubricate the mechanism that drives it. You see that there's a steel line on two pulleys. You can see one pulley here and there's another one underneath. And basically you have to put a drop of oil inside of that shaft. And once they run smooth, it all goes well. And it did, but not fully. It would go in smoothly, but it will catch on something when coming out. And I could not work out what it was. And finally I did. It was this. This is the lever, spring-loaded lever that helps. It loads and unloads the CD basically. What was happening is that it needed lubrication. It goes on 4 guides there, and a bit of squirt of the silicone spray lubricant that I have here, 3 in 1 as they say, and it's now, you know, as smooth as you can get. So when you restore something that has been abandoned in the shed for a decade or so, you have to first get the mechanics right before you get to electronics. So first you just move things, you know, with your finger, all the gears, so the tray comes out, goes in, the clamp comes down on the CD. Once all that works, then you should disconnect the drive to it and see if it goes smoothly. Once all that is done, then you have to worry about the electronics that drives it. So at the moment the mechanics are all done, and you know, look how fast it read the table of contents. It's just 2 or 3 turns, and then, you know, I'll have to put it all back together. And I think the problem here will be some caps. I've already checked all the rails. All the rails are good. So I think it could be some leaky capacitors, but maybe not. Maybe there is some other intermittent fault. Well, that's all, folks, and time to bed.